Hello and welcome to this short tutorial about writing a function in order to print the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers that each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, starting from 0 and 1. For example, if we have these are the Fibonacci sequence. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 8 is 13, and so on. So these are the numbers, and the purpose of this tutorial is to define a function in order to be able to print the Fibonacci numbers. Okay, we define a function def Fibonacci, and we have a parameter, and this is a number. This number should be we call it up to number. So we print the Fibonacci numbers up to 100 or up to 1000 or and so on. Okay, there's a very good way to assign two or more than two different variables to different values. So let's see how we do it. We write the first variable f1, comma f2, and then we assign the variables in the same line. These are different variables, these are not the same variables. So f1 is equal to 0 and f2 is equal to 1. Okay, we begin with a while loop, and if while, as long as f1 is less than the up to number, so we should run the code that is inside the while. What should we do first? We should print f1. We print f1, and then we go one step further. We swap the values of the f1 and f2. So f1, comma f2 is equal to. So if now we swap the values. So f1 is equal to f2, and f2 is equal to f1 plus f2. So it's the next value, f1 plus f2. So now we go one step further. So f1 is equal to f2 and f2 is equal to f1 plus f2. If we're gonna do it with the old ways, so we have to have another temporary variable in order to be able to do this. So this is a good way to do it in Python. Okay, the Fibonacci function is defined, and now we have to test it. So we write Fibonacci, and we write up to 100, the sequence which is less than 100. So let's run it and see how it works. Good. Fibonacci numbers until 100. So 55 plus 89 is more than 100. So it has stopped in 89. 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3, and so on. Okay, let's change the 100 to 1 to 10,000 and run it. Okay, that's good. So these are the Fibonacci numbers until 10,000. Okay, that's it for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment, and please subscribe if you haven't done that, and wish you good luck with coding. Bye bye.